Myself Roshan. Instant PCB machine is designed and developed to convert plain copper board into a PCB board.
Myself Rahul. Overview of the project. This project has four sections: instant printer, conveyor belt system, UV curving box, and x-axis y-axis arm arrangement. Preparation of copper board. Plain copper clapboard is cut to the length. Photosensitive film is stick to the copper side. Myself Krishna Prakash.
The required circuit is designed in ECEDA software and converted to PCB layout. It can be exported as Word or PDF format and print option is selected. Printer pushes the copper board to the printer area and starts to print. It is transferred to the UV box via conveyor. Copper board is detected and the UV LEDs are turned on along with 3 minutes timer. The reflection film is placed inside to increase the exposure of UV light. After 3 minutes, UV LED are turned off automatically. The exposed copper board is taken out along with tray and the thin plastic film is removed slowly. The exposed board is secured using a clip in the y-axis arm.
Control panel consists of electronics to control the timing. Toggle switch 1 and 2 is turned on. Third toggle switch is turned on. The process starts automatically. X-axis arm moves to the first stage. The PCB board is dipped on the solution by the y-axis arm by lowering the PCB board into the sodium hydroxide solution, which is the mixture of sodium hydroxide crystals and water in 1:10 ratio. This developing process takes 40 seconds to complete, and the unexposed layer will be removed by the sodium hydroxide solution. After 40 seconds, the copper board is removed from the sodium hydroxide solution. The y-axis arm moves the copper board upwards with a vibration, which removes the excess solution in the copper board. X-axis belt moves the y-axis arm to the next stage and lowers the copper board into the ferrichloride solution. It is the mixture of ferrichloride powder and water. This process is called etching. It removes the exposed copper layer. It takes 8 to 10 minutes according to the circuit. Once the copper board reaches the bottom, the y-axis arm triggers the limit switch and the air pump is turned on. The bubbling effect is achieved by arranging a set of tubes with the tiny holes. It helps to speed up the process and reduce the overall time taken to etch the copper board. It takes 10 minutes to complete the process. After 10 minutes, the copper board is moved upwards by the y-axis arm.
Myself Muzamuddin. X-axis arm move the copper board to the next stage. The y-axis arm lower the copper board into the water. When the board reaches the bottom, the limit switch is triggered. The bubbles help to clean the copper board quickly. The tubing allowed to generate bubbles in water. The cleaning process takes 40 seconds. After 40 seconds, the y-axis arm move the copper board upwards. Upper limit switch limit linear travel of the arm. The x-axis arm move to the fourth stage, which is cleaning. The y-axis arm lower the copper board is isopropyl solution. The lower limit switch limit the lower linear movement. After 40 seconds, the finished copper board is moved upward.
Myself Rahul. After all the process is completed, the PCB board is removed from y-axis arm. This is the PCB of servo motor control. Final output of this is the PCB of 3 LEDs in series. Blue flame is removed and cleaned after all the process. Holes are drilled using 8 mm drill bit. 3 LED and a screw terminal are inserted and soldered. This is the soldered side of PCB. The circuit is powered by 9-volt battery. This is the final output of the instant PCB machine.